Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be finding the area of this entire square. So, before we start actually solving for the area, let's go over what we're given. So we're given that the side length of this orange rectangle is equal to 3, this side length right here. And we're also given that all of the areas of all these shapes inside of the square are equal to each other. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say that this side length is x, that the side length of one side of the square is x. So if this is true, then this means that all of these side lengths are going to be x squared over 5, because the entire area of the square is x squared. And remember how all of these areas are equal to each other. So one of them, because there's 5 shapes, one of them is going to be x squared over 5. So this is going to be the same for all of them. And now, let's just focus on this blue rectangle right here. So let me actually draw this. Let's say this is the blue rectangle, and this is equal to x. So remember, we're given that the area of this is x squared over 5. So what I'm going to do is set this side length as b, an unknown variable b, meaning that the total area of this is going to be b times x, which is equal to x squared over 5. Now if I divide both sides by x, I get that b is equal to x over 5, because x squared divided by x is just x. Now that we know the value of b, what I'm going to do is put 1 over 5x over here and over here. So now going back over here, you know this is 1 over 5x. This is 1 over 5x. Now I'm going to focus on this red rectangle over here. Or sorry, not red, this is orange. So again, the area of this is x squared over 5. The side length of this side is 3, as given over here. And if this is 1 over 5x, and the total amount is x, then this side length over here is going to be 4 over 5x. So this is going to be 4 over 5x, meaning that the total area of this is 4 over x times 3, which is equal to x squared over 5. Now 4 over 5x times 3 is 12 over 5x, which is equal to x squared over 5. Meaning that if I multiply both sides by 5, I get 12x is equal to x squared, and if I divide both sides by x, I get 12 is equal to x, or x equals 12. So the value of x is 12. Now if x is 12 and the area is x squared, this means that the area of the total square is 12 squared, which is 144 square units. So this is my answer.